The 15th Legislative Assembly election was held on 6 April 2021 to elect members from 30 constituencies of the Legislative Assembly in the Union Territory of Puducherry in India. In the previous elections in 2016, the election brought a change of power as the All India NR Congress, which had formed the government under N. Rangaswamy, lost its majority to the Indian National Congress, led by V. Narayanasamy. In the previous elections in 2016, Indian National Congress emerged as single largest party with 15 seats. With the support of Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam, the government was formed. CPI contests in one seat, Muthialpat, and supports this alliance in all other seats. PMK supports this alliance without contesting in any seat. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.